Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through how to enable two-factor authentication on CoinStats account. So let's dive in straight into the video without further ado. Start off by launching open your web browser and go to coinstats.app and search. Once you end up in the official website of CoinStats, make sure to log into your account. After you are signed in, go and click on your profile icon at the top right hand corner and click on your username. Scroll down from the personal data page and click on the enable button right next to two-factor authentication. You will now need to go ahead and download and install the Google Authenticator application from your App Store or your Play Store. And then with the application, scan this particular QR code. You'll also need to save this key since it'll allow you to recover your Google Authenticator in case of phone loss, and then enter your password right here associated with your CoinStats account, and then enter the verification code that is generated from your Authenticator app. After doing so, click on enable and you'll be able to enable two-factor authentication on your CoinStats account. If you ever want to disable two-factor authentication, simply click on the disable button, enter your password associated with your CoinStats account in the first text box, and on the next field enter the verification code generated from your two-factor authentication application. Finally, click disable in order to turn off your two-factor authentication if you don't want to use it anymore. So that was how you can easily enable two-factor authentication on your CoinStats account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.